Hello,
A
my
healthy
friends.
diet
If
is
you're over
crucial for
55, you've
longevity,
probably noticed two things slowly
and
slipping away:
overall
your vision
well-being.
and your memory. You may
A
forget
healthy
simple
diet
things,
is
your
crucial
glasses to
for
name what you
longevity,
were about to do. Or perhaps your
and
eyesight feels
overall
blurry at night,
well-being.
dry, or
A
tired very
healthy diet
easily.
is
But here's
crucial
the
for
surprising part.
longevity,
Backhand index pointing right, your
and
brain and your
overall
eyes can repair
well-being.
themselves at night while you sleep.
A healthy
And
diet
tonight,
is
I'm going to show
crucial
you
for
4 powerful natural juices that
longevity,
seniors can
and
drink before
overall
bedtime to
well-being.
support the healing of nerve
A
cells,
healthy
reduce
diet is
inflammation,
crucial
improve
for
circulation to your eyes and brain,
longevity,
and help
and
restore clarity,
overall
both in
well-being.
vision and memory.
A
These are not
healthy diet
complicated
is
recipes,
crucial
and
for
every single
longevity,
ingredient is easily available.
and
Let's
overall
begin. Why
well-being.
your vision and memory
A
decline
healthy
after
diet
60.
is
As a
crucial
doctor,
for
I always
longevity,
explain this to my patients.
and
After age
overall
55,
well-being.
3 silent processes begin
A
happening
healthy
every
diet
year.
is
1.
crucial for
Blood flow
longevity,
decreases to your brain and your eyes.
and
Your eyes
overall
contain some of the
well-being.
tiniest blood vessels
A
in your
healthy
entire
diet
body.
is
When
crucial
circulation
for
drops,
longevity,
retinal cells receive less
and
oxygen.
overall
Your optic
well-being.
nerve weakens. Vision becomes
A
blurry
healthy
or
diet
dim,
is
especially
crucial
at night.
for
And
longevity,
similarly, your brain receives less
and
nutrients,
overall
leading to
well-being.
forgetfulness,
A
poor
healthy
concentration,
diet is
slow
crucial
reaction
for
time. 2.
longevity,
Oxidative stress damages your nerve
overall
cells.
well-being.
Every day, your eyes and
A
brain
healthy
are
diet
exposed to
is
tiny
crucial
molecules
for
called free
longevity,
radicals. In youth, your
and
natural
overall
antioxidants protect you.
well-being.
With age, this defense
A
drops by
healthy
almost
diet is
40%,
crucial
so
for
damage
longevity,
accumulates. This is why your
and
memory feels
overall
slower.
well-being.
Your eyes get tired easily.
A
You
healthy
feel
diet
mentally
is
foggy.
crucial
3.
for longevity,
Inflammation increases while you sleep.
and
It sounds
overall
strange,
well-being.
but nighttime is when
A
inflammatory
healthy
molecules
diet
rise.
is crucial
And that
for
inflammation
longevity,
slows memory repair, affects
and
the retina,
overall
causes
well-being.
swelling in delicate tissues
A
around
healthy
the
diet
eyes.
is
So the
crucial
key is
for
backhand
longevity,
index pointing right. If you give your body
and
the right
overall
nutrients before
well-being.
sleep, you can reverse these 3
A
processes
healthy diet
naturally
is
while your
crucial
body
for
enters repair
longevity,
mode. That's where the 4 nighttime
and
juices come in.
overall
Juice
well-being.
number 1, blueberry
A
spinach
healthy
night
diet
repair
is
juice.
crucial
This
for
is the most
longevity,
powerful eye brain antioxidant
overall
juice for
well-being.
seniors. Why it works? Blueberries
A healthy
contain
diet is
anthocyanins
crucial
that protect
for
the retina,
longevity,
resveratrol to strengthen
and
blood vessels,
overall well-being.
neuroprotective compounds that
A
support
healthy
memory
diet
centers like
is
the
crucial
hippocampus.
for
Spinach
longevity,
contains lutein and
and
zeaxanthin,
overall
the 2
well-being.
most important pigments that protect
A
your
healthy
macula,
diet is
nitrates that
crucial
increase
for
blood flow to
longevity,
your brain, magnesium that
and
calms your nervous
overall
system
well-being.
for deeper sleep. Together, this
A
juice
healthy
targets
diet is
night
crucial
blindness,
for
dry eyes,
longevity,
cognitive fog, poor
and
concentration.
overall well-being.
Ingredients: 1 cup blueberries,
A healthy
fresh
diet
or
is
frozen.
crucial
1
for
handful
longevity,
spinach. 1 teaspoon lemon juice.
and
Half a
overall
cup water
well-being.
or coconut water. Optional:
A healthy
1
diet
teaspoon
is
chia
crucial
seeds.
for
How it helps
longevity,
seniors while sleeping. Blueberry
and
pigments cross the
overall
blood-retina
well-being.
barrier, repairing
A healthy
oxidative
diet
damage.
is
Spinach
crucial
increases
for longevity,
circulation, so your optic nerve receives more
overall
oxygen during
well-being.
rapid eye movement, REM, sleep,
A healthy
the
diet
phase where
is
memory
crucial
consolidation
for
happens.
longevity,
When to drink. Backhand index
and
pointing right
overall
1 hour before
well-being.
sleep, 3 to 4
A
times per
healthy
week.
diet is
Juice number
crucial
2,
for
carrot,
longevity,
orange, turmeric
and
anti-inflammatory eye
overall
juice.
well-being.
If you struggle with blurry vision,
A healthy
sensitivity
diet is
to light,
crucial for
eye strain,
longevity,
inflammation around the eyelids,
and
this
overall
juice
well-being.
is your best friend. Why it works?
A healthy
Carrots
diet
contain
is crucial
beta-carotene,
for
which
longevity,
converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A
overall
deficiency is
well-being.
one of the top causes of
A
declining
healthy
vision in
diet
seniors.
is crucial
Oranges
for
provide
longevity,
vitamin C for collagen repair,
and overall
bioflavonoids that
well-being.
strengthen tiny blood vessels in your
A
retina.
healthy diet
Turmeric
is
contains
crucial for
curcumin,
longevity,
one of the strongest natural
and
anti-inflammatory
overall well-being.
compounds. Together, these
A healthy
ingredients
diet
reduce
is
swelling
crucial
inside the
for
eye and
longevity,
brain, especially during sleep.
and overall
Ingredients: 2
well-being.
medium carrots, 1
A
orange,
healthy
fresh
diet
juice,
is crucial
1 small
for
piece of turmeric
longevity,
or 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder,
and
a
overall
pinch of black
well-being.
pepper, helps curcumin
A
absorption.
healthy
How it
diet
helps
is
while you sleep.
crucial for
During deep
longevity,
sleep, your body activates
and
its
overall
lymphatic system,
well-being.
the waste removal process inside
A
the
healthy
brain.
diet is
Curcumin makes this
crucial
process
for
more
longevity,
efficient, helping clear
and
amyloid plaques,
overall
old
well-being.
damaged proteins,
A
toxins
healthy
that block
diet
memory
is
function.
crucial
The
for
result?
longevity,
Backhand index pointing right, better
and
recall.
overall
Backhand index pointing
well-being.
right, sharper morning vision.
A
Backhand
healthy
index
diet
pointing
is
right, less
crucial
swelling
for
around the
longevity,
eyes. When to drink. Backhand index pointing
overall
right 30
well-being.
to 60 minutes before sleep.
A healthy
Juice
diet
number
is
3,
crucial for
beetroot,
longevity,
ginger
for
oxygen booster
longevity,
juice.
and
This juice is
overall
ideal if you
well-being.
often feel mentally
A
tired,
healthy diet
low
is
energy,
crucial
poor
for
circulation,
longevity,
cold
for
hands and feet.
longevity,
Why it
and
works.
overall
Beetroot contains
well-being.
natural nitrates, which
A
convert into
healthy
nitric
diet is
oxide, a
crucial for
molecule that opens
longevity,
blood
for
vessels.
longevity,
Improved
and
circulation
overall
equals heavy
well-being.
check mark, more oxygen to
A
the
healthy
brain.
diet
Heavy
is
check mark,
crucial
more
for
oxygen to the
longevity,
eyes.
for
Heavy
longevity,
check mark,
and
clearer thinking.
overall
Heavy check
well-being.
mark, brighter vision.
A
Ginger
healthy
adds
diet is
anti-inflammatory
crucial for
benefits,
longevity, for
improved digestion,
longevity,
better
and
nighttime
overall
relaxation.
well-being.
Ingredients: 1
A
half large
healthy
beetroot,
diet is
1 half
crucial
apple
for
or 1
longevity,
teaspoon
for
honey, 1
longevity,
small piece of
and
ginger, half a
overall
cup water.
well-being.
What happens during sleep? While you
A
sleep,
healthy diet
nitric
is
oxide
crucial for
dilates blood
longevity,
vessels,
for
improves
longevity,
oxygen flow,
and
nourishes
overall
the optic
well-being.
nerve, enhances
A
brain-to-eye
healthy diet
communication.
is
Many
crucial
seniors
for
report waking
longevity,
up
for
with less
longevity,
fog,
and
clearer colors,
overall well-being.
reduced morning dizziness. When to
A
drink.
healthy
Backhand
diet
index
is
pointing right
crucial
2
for
hours before
longevity, for
bedtime because
longevity,
beetroot
and
energizes some people.
overall
Juice
well-being.
number 4, aloe
A
vera,
healthy diet
cucumber,
is
mint
crucial
hydrating
for
vision juice.
longevity, for
If your eyes
longevity,
feel
and
dry, burning,
overall well-being.
irritated, tired when reading,
A
then
healthy diet
hydration
is
is your
crucial
key.
for
Why it works.
longevity, for
Aloe vera
longevity,
moisturizes
and
internal
overall
tissues and
well-being.
reduces inflammation. Cucumber
A
hydrates
healthy
the eye
diet is
surface and
crucial
improves
for
tear production.
longevity, for
Mint calms the
longevity,
nervous system
and
and improves sleep
overall
quality.
well-being.
Ingredients: 2
A healthy
tablespoons
diet
fresh
is
aloe vera
crucial
gel,
for
1 half
longevity, for
cucumber, 4 to
longevity,
5 mint
and
leaves, half a
overall
cup water.
well-being.
How it helps you at night.
A
Your
healthy
tears are
diet
produced
is
mostly during
crucial
sleep.
for
This
longevity,
juice
for longevity,
restores hydration,
and
reduces
overall
irritation,
well-being.
supports eyelid
A
gland
healthy
function,
diet is
keeps the cornea
crucial
moist.
for
Better
longevity, for
hydration
longevity,
equals sharper morning
and
vision.
overall
When to drink.
well-being.
Backhand index pointing right 30
A
minutes
healthy
before bed.
diet is
How to use
crucial
these
for
juices safely.
longevity, for
As your doctor,
longevity,
let me give you
and
simple
overall
guidelines.
well-being.
Heavy check mark 1. Rotate
A
the
healthy
juices.
diet is
Don't drink all
crucial
4 in
for
one night.
longevity, for
Choose 1 juice
longevity,
per evening.
and
Heavy check mark 2.
overall well-being.
Avoid added sugar. Natural fruits are
A
enough.
healthy
Heavy
diet
check
is
mark 3.
crucial for
Avoid if you have these
longevity, for
conditions.
longevity,
Severe kidney
and
disease.
overall
Consult your doctor
well-being.
first. On blood
A
thinners,
healthy diet
especially
is
turmeric plus
crucial
ginger.
for
Heavy
longevity,
check mark
for
4.
longevity,
Combine with
and
habits that boost
overall
repair.
well-being.
Sleep before 11 p.m.
A healthy
Reduce
diet
screen
is
brightness.
crucial for
Blink frequently
longevity,
during
for
the day.
longevity,
Walk 15
and
minutes daily.
overall
My
well-being.
friends, your eyes and brain are
A
miraculous
healthy
organs.
diet is
Even at age
crucial for
60,
longevity,
70,
for
or 80.
longevity,
Backhand
and
index pointing right.
overall
They can still
well-being.
heal, repair, and
A
restore
healthy
function
diet is
if you give them the
crucial
right
for
tools.
longevity,
Try
for
these nighttime
longevity,
juices for 10
and
to 14
overall
days, and you
well-being.
may notice sharper
A
vision,
healthy
brighter
diet is
colors,
crucial
better
for
recall,
longevity,
less
for
foggy mornings,
longevity,
more
and
energy. If
overall
you enjoyed this
well-being.
and want more natural
A
doctor-guided
healthy
tips to
diet
protect
is
your health after
crucial
60,
for
make sure to
longevity,
like,
for longevity,
subscribe, and share
and
with someone you love.
overall
Sleep
well-being.
well, heal well, and
A
I will see
healthy
you in the
diet
next
is
video.
crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being. A healthy diet is crucial for longevity, and overall well-being.